Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is obviously about my hydraulics system with an automated part controlled by Python over Linux and the manually operated part. And today's topic is fixing wiring. First of all, at the back side, right here, not really visible, but if I do move the camera, oops, you can see a terminal block right here. That is going to be used for rewiring from something right here. And I have to fix the wiring to the motor. And since that wiring is completely at the back end of the whole wiring there, not going to be that easy from here. Anyway, that's the plan for today. Let's see how it ends up. So, one of the things that I said will happen is the reroute of this wire. This wire is going completely round and it is actually connected to this LED. So let me show. So this wire is from this LED, but since this LED it has to be grounded, and this terminal block is also ground, and the whole block is connected to this one. There's an empty place there, so I'm going to take it away from an unnecessary long distance to that block. And next, the fix for the motor wire, but let's first do this one. Take this one out, then I can remove this connector. And now I have to be careful for this terminal block here. And of course first lead it around, and then it turns out to be very long. So one thing is that I can cut it here, and then I have an extra wire, and then put it in the terminal block. I think that's a better idea. Let's take a knife and make some ends with this isolation cutter. So with the camera in a different point of view, let's cut the wire and see if I can get it right here. Now this has been fixed. I have to, of course, to test it. So I will move the camera right here, and that is to view the LED right here. And how to best test it, I have to check to start the camera, or more appropriate the program, and then also make sure that this is going to be up, and yes, you see that the LED is burning, and for some reason the motor isn't running, which it should. So let me check for the wiring of the motor. And then I see that it is motor wiring, but of a different motor. It is this motor wiring that is not functioning. So that's next. So the motor wiring is right here, and you can see that there is one wire out of the connector. And to make sure that it works, I'll take them both out, which makes it much easier. losing, oops, this connector, getting the old wire out if possible. Nothing coming out, which is alright, but this wire is, well, there's still some wire left, so maybe I can just, without stripping anything, put it in and get it done. Putting everything back in place. And then see if things work out. So I have to move the camera towards the motor, otherwise you can't see. With the camera located to both the LED and the motor, let's start the algorithm again, the program, and I kind of have to fix, because this is not really working. I have to forcibly make sure that this is working, and as you can see, this is not really stable, but the LED is working nicely. Just is outside camera reach, yeah, and the motor is working again. So that is all solved. Then with a little bit of distance to the whole system, well, that is working out. There you see the piston coming up, which causes nothing, which is not good. So there has to be some attention to that, because the motor has to, that motor has to stop, and now it stops, which is exactly what is the purpose. So that means that this is working correctly. Let's see for the LEDs. This one is going very good, and that one is going very good. Those two lights are as well. So it seems that for now, at least, everything is working out. And well, with the motor I had to assist a little bit for the piston, but for the rest, yeah. Only this one is not entirely what I would like, but the wires are too short to put into this terminal block. On the other hand, I don't have enough terminal block elements to make something out of here, so maybe next time. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. More information under this video or on my website, which is also listed on my video. This is going to be continued if I get the right parts. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.